Greetings, it is Monday, October 25th, 2021. After indecisively mulling over it last 2 days, I decided to go ahead and make two color changes in the drawing as it looked over the weekend. I added a color in the upper portion, in the upper head of this kind of two-headed, three-jeweled sea monster in the upper left of the drawing. Upper left and like left. I also added green watercolor all around the background with like a touch of blue in the upper right around where the wing is, and viewer's right side of Huber's head in my portrait, which would be his left ear viewer's right. All right, there you have it. It will be a complete, this is the frame I got for it, and I think it will look nice when it's framed. It'll be completely flattened. Right now it paper buckles a little bit from the watercolor gouache. All right, there you have it for now. Under the Wings 73. Please visit humanrights-holocaust-art.org, and the art gallery is there. This will be in the Under the Wings series.